Hey everyone, welcome back. And I know it's been a while and we haven't posted anything. Been very busy. We're back in the New York house and we're trying to do something that we meant to start a while ago, and that's my library. It's really poorly insulated. It's half torn out, half not torn out, and my father-in-law had used the room for storage of materials while he was remodeling the rest of the house. The house was built in 1960-ish, and it needs a lot of new stuff. But in the meantime, because this was supposed to be my library, I was anxious to get a lot of my books out. I have well over 600 books, and that's a lot of books. I have on this shelf, we did an impromptu, you can see the wall behind it doesn't even have any insulation in it. Behind this is our bedroom, and right now there's no insulation. With the help of my husband, we put up these books on just 1x. You know, these are 1x6s or 1x8s. I can't even remember at this point. And we put them up, and that's about half of my books. So now we need to make this room work. So this was a shelf that my father-in-law had made, and up there, all this material, all this building material, the ceiling tile, we had wood, we had, I mean, you name it, was up there. So it took pretty much a whole day just to empty that out, and now we're going to tear that down. You can see all this old insulation over here. Some of it is, you can see it's been exposed to moisture. So we need to get all this out. And I'm going to sheetrock the wall. Then I'm going to make some shelves over there for more books. Then all of those have to come down. It's a lot of books. And then I'm going to insulate, sheetrock that as well, and then put shelves back up. You can see here that we have some ceiling tiles, cases and cases of ceiling tiles that my father-in-law had. They look like the old tin ceilings. They're, but in white. So they're actually very pretty. Kind of nostalgic, old Brooklyn looking kind of ceiling tiles. That one's got dirt in it. But they look really nice when they're up. They're up in like another 2/3 of the house. So it'll just match up with that. And because we had so much of it, why not use it? Because we already have it. Over here, we still have a lot of flooring to put down. So really, this is actually real wood oak. It's not the laminate stuff that you see in the Sam's Clubs and stuff like that. You can, here, let me flip it over. You can see there, it's real oak. And it's just been already finished. That's all. It's already been sanded and finished. So it's lock it in place and put it down. But what I'm going to have to do is because this is a concrete, I'm going to have to put a floating subfloor. So I'm going to have to put maybe a thin sheet of plywood just to make sure the moisture from the concrete doesn't wick into the wood, because then you get up with an issue there. So there we are. We'll give you progress as we go along. My fault. I am horrible about filming when I do things. I'm just like, I just want to get it done. So that's where we are for now. And wish me luck. I'm going to keep going. As you can see, the light is shining up there. We have to tear down those shelves and then get out the old insulation and work from there. So like and subscribe. Thank you. Peace.